In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Grok application. By the end, you'll be confidently chatting with Grok and getting helpful answers in just a few clicks. To begin, open your web browser and head to grok.com. This is the quickest way to access the app and see what it offers. If this is your first time, take a second to glance around the page so you know where you're going next. You'll be prompted to connect your X account, which is required to use Grok since it's integrated with the X platform. If you're already signed into X, you'll just be asked to authorize access. If you're not signed in yet, log in as you normally would, then approve the connection. This step lets Grok run smoothly within your X experience, while keeping your account secure through the standard X authorization flow. Once you're connected, look for the Grok entry point inside X and click on it. Depending on your layout, you might see it in a dedicated section or via search, but either way, it opens the same chat experience. The AI chat screen will load, showing a conversation area and a message box at the bottom. Think of this like a direct message thread, but with an assistant that can reason, write, summarize, and brainstorm with you. If you see any introductory tips on the page, give them a quick read to get comfortable with the interface. Now you're ready to start chatting. Consider what you want help with. Maybe drafting a post, summarizing an article, planning a project, or exploring an idea. The clearer your goal, the better the response. Type your message into the box. You can be conversational, but adding specifics helps a lot. For example, mention the tone you want, the length you prefer, or any context Grok should consider. If you're asking about current events or a niche topic, include a brief description or a link so Grok has the right context. Press enter, and Grok will respond almost immediately. You'll see the message appear in the thread, just like a chat. Read it through and decide what you want next. Refine it, expand it, or shift the angle. If you need more, add follow-up messages. Ask for a shorter version, more detail, clearer steps, or alternative options. You can also request examples, rewording for a different audience, or a quick recap to confirm understanding. Keep the conversation going until you're satisfied. That's it. Go to Grok, connect your X account, open the chat, start typing, press enter, and build on the answers. Happy chatting and enjoy exploring what Grok can do for you.